Ian here will look at the verb pull. Here are a few expressions and phrasal verbs using this verb, pull. I'll give an example, yes, and you'll see the definition on the screen, yes. So study them well, practice using them, and this will really boost your vocabulary when it comes to doing writing, especially for the IELTS exams and the TOEFL exams, yes. So, okay, so they pulled down the old houses to build a new hospital. In the chess game, James pulled the queen back to defend his king. The protesters will have to pull back because they are too near the police water cannons. The man was able to pull away from the attacker who was holding him. I got onto the train just as it was pulling away from the station. On the highway, the Ferrari easily pulled ahead of the Opel Astra. On the penultimate length, Michael Phelps pulled ahead of the swimmers to win, yes. All the students pulled together to raise money for a boy who needed an operation, yes. Don't get so excited when you're driving. Pull yourself together or we'll have an accident. Oh, stop acting like a baby. Pull yourself together. Grow up. The business coach succeeded in pulling the department together to work as a team, yes. After a lot of practice, the gymnast pulled off a triple backflip. 1, 2, 3. Okay. At first, John couldn't juggle with 4 balls, but now he's pulled it off. Amazing, yes, okay, so. Martinez had to pull out of the long jump competition because he hurt his foot. The politician pulled out of the TV debate due to a financial scandal. Well, these things happen. Okay. Dave was in the intensive care unit for 2 weeks, but the doctors say he's starting to pull through, yes. Martha was very depressed after her divorce, but now she's pulled through thanks to her friends' support, okay? Okay. After 30 kilometers, Salazar was leading the marathon when he pulled up with cramp. Finally, he finished in 12th position. A limousine has pulled up outside our house. Ah, who could it be? Maybe it's the Queen. Okay. Now, can you spot which ones are not phrasal verbs? There are quite a few that are not phrasal verbs. Yes, okay. Give us a like and leave a comment below, yes? We really appreciate your comments and likes. Okay, thank you.